Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are taking you to the Hollywood Studios theme park, and we are going to take you on our ride on the Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run attraction. It is really cool, and at the end of the video, we give you a tip on how to get through that ride really quick. So with that said, let's sit back, relax, and let's have some fun. Now, let's go.
Asphalt, have a good run.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing button.
Oh, wow.
You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back up the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that glass out. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Evasive action! There it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now gunners, shoot the cargo lead! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, there could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gravity go axial. Just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineer, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Harpoons, prick, shooting. Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Ooh, that is rough. For you to go, and don't worry, the payment is on the way, trust me.
Alright guys, so I just went to the ride here, and there's actually a single rider line. It took me literally 2 minutes to get to a ride. It's an awesome trick. Gotta do that if you're here alone. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.